it. You mentioned about the level of techniques and I guess expertise in playing polo by the local team in Manipur.
Yeah.
So last time the finals was played between USPA and the local team, right? And US won.
That's right.
So, I was following the match very closely, and I was very interested, and I was very happy that, Manipur's team came till the end, and it was like, okay, I'm in US and I'm a native from Manipur, and I'm kind of cheering for both.
Right.
But comparing, seeing from that event, I thought the players were good and in par and, with the international team. But then you also commented about the women's team, to improve their technique. So I just wanted to get a sense about, your view on the expertise and level of the Manipuri team.
The Manipuri team is by far one of the best teams in the world in terms of that game. This is the first time in 9 tournaments that they've lost. They've won every other time. And so the USA was just a very good team. And actually, it was won in overtime. So it was not an easy win for the USA either. So the men's skill is very proficient at that level. When we first started to talk about how to put a team together to come, we go by goal levels in the rest of the world, and each player is rated and assessed a handicap, but Manipur doesn't do that. So it was very difficult for us to figure out what the goal level should be, and we finally got it right, but they're very proficient. The women, on the other hand, they can ride and they're very good, but they just need some help with organizing their team and improving their skills, but they're fine. But our teams and the women's side are superior to the teams that we have in Manipur. So we thought, to make it fair, to make it fun, we'll split up the players on the different teams, and then everybody can play a little bit faster and learn how to play a little bit better.
Okay, got it. Maybe because the women's team in Manipur hasn't been there for longer than, the men's team, so their practice and, I guess, training may be, lesser than what the men has been used to, I guess.
Yeah.
But I was very excited to know about, women's polo team playing, and, it was very exciting.
Yeah. No, we're looking forward to it. I can't wait. I leave tomorrow.